Okay, so set notation has a whole heap of different letters you need to know. R is all real numbers. N is natural numbers. Alright, and these are all written down in your book, so you don't need to copy these down off me right now. Z is integers. Sometimes integers, sometimes that is J, but I don't think J is used very often anymore. Q is rational numbers. And that's pretty much it. Okay, there is... what are we missing?
Irrational ones.
Q naught, yeah, so Q naught is irrational. Alright, so that little symbol there means Q naught, or not Q. Okay, there are some other things you need to know also. So that is an element of, part of, element of. Alright, so part or element of, so it's actually part of that group. So if we were saying, is 7 part of Z? The answer is yes. Okay, Z, so 7 is an element of, that's 7, it's an element of Z. Okay, so 7 is an element of Z, because it is part of it. Okay, you've also got not an element, terrible writing here, so not part of, not part, or element of, right? This C thing is subset, all right, and that comes into play when you're talking about these letters up here. N is a subset of R because it's part of it. Okay, so it's subset, it's part of it, it's a set within it. Of course, you've got not subset. What else have we got? Intersection. And then you've got union. Okay, so those two there, intersection is both. Okay, so intersection means it's part of both. Union means one or the other. And did we decide that was all both as well? One or the other or both? I think it is. Alright, I'm pretty sure that's one or the other or both. Okay, and then you've got this guy here, which means excluding. And then you've got this guy here, which is the last one, which is the null set, which means it has nothing in it. Okay. Alright, so that's pretty much it for set notation.